Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be my first ever video where I'm going to analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum cryptocurrencies, okay? Because I've seen something amazing in them. Okay, first as you can see Bitcoin, I'll just remove all this and I'll show you something. Okay, the trades that I took today, one of them I took last night and one I took today. I'll just show it to you. Okay, so here was my first entry. Okay, here was my first entry. I squared off here, that was my target. And then again when I'll just show it here, wait. So yeah. So this was my first entry. After it gave a breakout, this was my entry. I entered over here, took a retest, it hit my target over here. Okay, that was my first ever trade in Bitcoin, and then again I took another entry. I'll show you the video to this trade. I'll put it in the I button so that you can watch it. And then again after it sustained below this level, I took a short entry and I squared off over here. So I made a risk reward ratio of 1:3, which is amazing. And then what I did was I went to daily time frame. Okay, I went to daily time frame and I saw this. Look at this is a very crucial support level. Okay, if it closes below this level, I'm definitely going to take a short entry and this will be my target. Okay, this looks beautiful to me. Okay, and similarly in Ethereum also, see, this is the daily time frame of Ethereum, and this is a crucial level here, right? So if it closes below this level, a short entry can definitely be taken, and target you can consider as long as you can hold it. Okay, another thing I'll show you, look at this, right? This looks like a pole and this looks like a flag, so this can also be considered as a flag and pole pattern. Okay, look at this, right? This can also be considered as a flag and pole pattern. So if it takes support from here and goes up, and if you can take the risk, you can take a long entry over here. But just in case, if you are a safe trader, I'll tell you what to do. You can wait for it to break out from this level, and only if it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your first target and this level as your second target. Okay, for long side. See, this also looks like a crucial level. It has taken support from here. Again it took a support, it gave a breakdown, it took a support on this level, again went up, took a resistance, it's coming down. So this is a crucial level. So Ethereum for both side and Bitcoin only for shorter side, but Bitcoin and Ethereum almost works similarly. Okay, so if Ethereum is falling, Bitcoin also falls. That is what I have observed. So yeah, so if it closes below this level, I think a short entry can definitely be taken. This can be considered as a level. Okay, and this can be considered as the final target. So this is a very short video. I just wanted to make it. I think I'm going to upload it right now, okay, so that you guys don't miss it. Just on Bitcoin and Ethereum, these are the two major cryptos, and I think I'm going to trade in this also. This is for swing trading, of course, and it looked very amazing to me. That's why I thought of sharing it with you all. So let me know in the comments what you think of this, and if there's any other cryptos that you trade, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely try to analyze them also. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.